Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus back again, and today we're taking a walk down Avenida Filipinas, home to some of the best hotels in Benidorm, the best bakery in Benidorm in my opinion, and home to a very popular nightclub here in Benidorm. So come and join us on today's journey. I can't even talk. Rewind. Come and join us on today's adventure. Okay, guys. God's sake, I still can't talk. Okay then, guys. So we're heading down Avenida Filipinas. The first hotel you will sort of see is the beautiful Hotel Pueblo. Like it's sister hotel. There we are somewhere. Oh, no, there. Wait, one more. Oh, God's sake. I passed it. There we are. Hotel Venus. Sorry, guys. Anyway, like it's sister hotel, the Pueblo, both the Venus and Pueblo, they're sort of done into compartments like blocks, so you could be staying in a building 1 floor 7A or something. I don't really know, but still very nice hotels. God. I'm going to try and make this video professional today, guys. Trust me. No more mistakes, I promise you. No more mistakes. So we do have the fabulous Hotel Helios. Scooter parking down there on a wee bit of a hill. Would you trust your scooter being parked on that hill? Maybe, maybe not. But still nice hotel. Flip you around. Come on. Track me. Thank you. So yeah, reception is just in the entrance behind me, guys. It is a very fabulous hotel, yet I've never actually stayed there, guys. So maybe if you have stayed there before, just drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of it. I think probably the best sort of future of it though is the pool area. Now from what I've been told, it is a heated outdoor pool with a floor that can lower and rise up, so say they've got like, I don't know, water aerobics class in there, it can rise up a bit, make it a bit shallower so people can do their water aerobics, or say it's just normal day, normal swimming, lower the floor, make it a bit deeper so you can swim. You okay, Mum? What you doing?
Just checking.
And of course, as I said earlier, Hotel Venus over there, part of the Survey Group hotels. You do get a fair few sort of grouped hotels over here. You've got Survey Group, Med Player, RH Group, Media Group, I think is another one as well. I can't quite remember, but yeah. And now coming up is the popular nightclub, Jokers. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. Jokers is a very nice club. It is. a very great place to go for your entertainment. Before I show you jokers, just do what I enjoy doing, checking what's in the box. I don't even know what's in the box actually. Anyway, right, turn it up. Sorry. There we are. Okay, so as I was saying, Joker's is probably one of the best places for entertainment. However, there is always a however. The slight problem is the drinks do tend to get watered down, so if you just went into entertainment, then yeah, Joker's is a place to be. But if you are wanting to get a bit tipsy, then yeah, maybe not the place you want to be. No offence to Jokers. Of course, some of the best acts you'll see in Benidorm, the Bruno Mars tribute act, and I have been told by Mad Mike that our good friend Joshy Boy is still doing backing dancing with him, so check it out guys. The other act you want to see in Benidorm is the Meatloaf tribute act, Simon Rushton and Leslie, Simon and Leslie, yeah. They aren't a couple guys, don't worry, the flirting on stage is just a bit of funny banter. One of the best shows in Benidorm, and trust me guys, you will think Meatloaf has come back from the dead. And a new show that I really want to see is Chris Carter doing his N&M tribute show. We have seen his Ed Sheeran show, so trust me, he's got a good voice on him, guys. Across the road from us now is of course a very beautiful hotel, Arcos Gold, or Gold Arcos, or however you want to say it, with the Royal Arrow Bar on the bottom and the Archer's Lounge up top. Calais Lepanto as well, the sort of second British strip. You got Sinatra stand there, as well as the fabulous Miller's Bar. The very beautiful Hotel Presidente just there as well. Head on over to Benidorm at Mike's channel to see our breakfast review we've done in there. €4 was it? Yeah, €4 for a full English. Quite nice as well actually. English sort of product, so yeah. And don't forget guys, you are allowed in there. You are allowed to go for meals or drinks in there. And you are allowed to watch the entertainment in there. And Philippines 10 has a new show coming, Moulin Rouge Tribute, with Nicky Miller, the fabulous Matt Fisher, and Ruben Fuentes. Great new show guys. And it is busy in Benidorm guys. The surprise attack is looking pretty rampant and full. The Loch Ness Fun Pub as well, opening today now. First time I've seen that actually, apart from Fancy Dress Day and maybe St Patrick's Day. Ooh. Getting out of breath I am. Jesus. The Outback Bar there as well, yet to confirm if they do actually do Australian pints. Think they do Foster's in there, but Castlemaine, not too sure. Oh guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching us and thanks for spending your afternoon with us. Is he stopping? No, he ain't. Yes, he is. Crossing over on Calo Girona by the Red Lion. The shoe shop across the road as well if you lose your shoes on a night out. Don't know how you would do that actually, losing your shoes on a night out. But it is Benidorm, I mean. Not the worst thing you could lose, I guess. Gonna carry on past the Gold Dollar Saloon. Finally coming across the best bakery in Benidorm in my opinion. The very beautiful Florida Pasteleria. Fresh bread, fresh pies, pretty much anything you want, cakes, etc. in there, well nice, best place to go. Whew. And I am almost done. So you can go and get another coffee if you want now. I've just finished myself here actually. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I will finish off by showing you the euro exchange rate while I'm here as well actually. 1.145. I honestly don't know if that's good or bad guys. Maybe shop round for the better rate. I don't know. Anyway, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Love you loads and see you in the next one. Adios.